Hello viewers, welcome to Girls Dairy. Today's DIY is to prepare 4 most effective soaps for all your skin problems. To achieve glass skin, to remove acne, to get clear skin, to have golden glow on your face. Let's get started. You can buy this soap base from Amazon, link available in description. Cut the soap base into cubes. Using double boiler method, melt all the soap base cubes. Number 1. The saffron soap. Take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and add a small amount of saffron to it. This soap is useful to achieve glowing and clear skin. Saffron reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It evens skin tone and reduces dullness and promotes soft and smooth glowing skin. Let it soak for 30 minutes. Add few drops of tea tree or lavender essential oil. Now adding 1 tablespoon of rice flour to it. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Now add soap base to it and mix all the ingredients together. Pour the liquid to a silicone soap base mold. Number 2. Charcoal soap. Charcoal helps to remove acne causing bacteria and leaves your skin feeling deeply cleansed. Neem oil helps to get rid of acne and prevents skin infections. As we all know, tea tree oil is a must for acne treatment. Adding 2 vitamin E capsules. Vitamin E is known for their benefits to the skin. Mix all the ingredients well and add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Adding soap base to the mixture. Now pour it into silicone mold. Number 3. Beetroot soap. Beetroot is loaded with antioxidants. It can improve even the dullest complexions. Adding 1 tablespoon of glycerin to improve hydration. To enhance the fragrance of the soap, I am adding few drops of rose essential oil. Add soap base and mix well. Make sure there are no lumps in it. Add it to the mold. Number 4. Sandalwood soap. Sandalwood powder is a natural skincare product that absorbs excess oil and removes impurities from the pores. Adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the mixture. Adding few drops of sandalwood essential oil. Pour soap base liquid and mix all the ingredients well. Transfer it to the mold. Let it sit for 1 to 2 hours or until it solidifies. or you can keep it in refrigerator for 30 minutes. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Girls Dairy.